Hello everyone, my name is Jay Patravali and I'm a graduate student from Oregon State University. I'll be presenting a paper learning intuitive physics by explaining surprise. Studies on human infants have shown that the key to human-like intelligence is the capability to identify objects, reason about its shape and its physical dynamics. In the past decade, there has been tremendous progress in artificial intelligence. However, machines are still far away from safely and efficiently executing tasks that come naturally for human beings. There is still a gap in their ability to reason about their current physical observation and their past experiences. To solve this problem, we seek inspiration from the visual common sense exhibited by young infants. For example, in this video, the baby is able to see and grasp an object and have an expectation of the object's behavior as it falls through the hole. They express surprise if there is a mismatch between their physical expectation and observations. Our goal in this paper is to embed visual common sense in machines. We develop a model that learns the physical attributes in multi-object interaction and is able to explain violation in its understanding. Our model is benchmarked in an environment provided by the INFIS Challenge 2019. There is 3 blocks in this test challenge. The model is given a set of possible and impossible videos. The first block is object permanence, which is basically checking if objects don't randomly appear and disappear in a scene. The second block is shape consistency, which maintains that the object will have the same shape even though there might be a small change in its appearance. And the third block is spatio-temporal consistency, which is maintaining the object's continuity in space and time. Basically, they don't teleport across frames. Our framework is composed of 3 modules: perception, dynamics, and explanation of surprise. The goal of this challenge is to detect impossible scenarios, localize and identify objects that are involved in an implausible event. In the perception module, we employ appearance matching and object tracking modules to identify, track, and localize multiple objects in a given input visual scene. In the dynamics module, we encode object state and velocity and predict its future states, and also model an expectation of where object should be based on its uh, past past states and current observation. In the explanation of surprise module, we basically provide a plausibility score for a given input video to explain the mismatch in current observation and past states. In the INFIS Challenge leaderboard, we are overall second in the performance, and our Block 2 performance is the best among all the participants. In summary, we present a new framework to model intuitive physics. Our framework is simple and efficient, placing us second in the INFIS 2019 challenge. In the future, we will look at addressing failures in the perception module, especially the object tracking and detection, and also work on an end-to-end learning of perception and dynamics. Thank you, and please send us questions at this email address.